Starting over is a concept that resonates with many people at different points in their lives. It often involves leaving behind familiar routines, environments, or relationships to pursue a new path. This decision can be incredibly challenging as it requires confronting uncertainty and stepping outside of one's comfort zone. However, the process of beginning anew also offers unique opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery. By embracing change, individuals can redefine their goals, values, and sense of purpose. While the journey may be daunting, the rewards of starting over can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Many of us hesitate to embrace new beginnings because of the fears and doubts that linger in our minds. These feelings often stem from uncertainty about the future or a reluctance to leave the comfort of the familiar. Past experiences, such as failures or disappointments, can also shape our apprehension, making change seem risky or overwhelming. Sometimes, societal expectations or the opinions of others add to our anxiety, causing us to question our choices. By recognizing where these fears originate, we can begin to address them more effectively. Understanding their roots is the first step toward overcoming the barriers that prevent us from moving forward. Courage plays a vital role when facing change and moving beyond past failures. It allows us to step into the unknown even when uncertainty feels daunting. Letting go of setbacks requires inner strength, as it often means releasing familiar patterns and beliefs. By embracing courage, we open ourselves to new opportunities and personal growth. Each act of bravery, no matter how small, helps us build resilience and confidence for the future. Ultimately, it is through courage that we transform challenges into stepping stones for success. Rebuilding your life after a setback begins with setting clear, achievable goals that give you direction and purpose. Start by identifying what matters most to you and breaking larger ambitions into manageable steps. Seeking support from friends, family, or professional counselors can provide encouragement and valuable perspective during challenging times. It's also important to cultivate resilience by embracing change, learning from past experiences, and maintaining a positive outlook. Practicing self-care, such as regular exercise and mindfulness, can help you manage stress and stay focused. Remember, progress may be gradual, but each small step brings you closer to a renewed sense of stability and fulfillment. Throughout history, many individuals have discovered new paths to success and fulfillment by courageously starting over. Consider the story of Vera Wang, who transitioned from journalism to become a world-renowned fashion designer in her 40s, or J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous setbacks before publishing the Harry Potter series, ultimately transforming her life and inspiring millions. These examples remind us that reinvention is possible at any stage and that embracing change can lead to unexpected achievements. Their journeys highlight the power of resilience, adaptability, and the willingness to pursue new dreams, no matter the obstacles. Throughout life, the courage to start anew is a powerful force for personal growth. Each time we choose to begin again, we open ourselves to new experiences, lessons, and opportunities for self-discovery. This willingness to embrace change, even in the face of uncertainty, builds resilience and adaptability. Over time, these fresh starts shape our character, teaching us that setbacks are not endings, but invitations to evolve. By being brave enough to begin again, we continually expand our horizons and deepen our understanding of ourselves. Ultimately, this ongoing process becomes a cornerstone of lifelong learning and fulfillment. Embracing new beginnings can be both challenging and rewarding. Each fresh start offers an opportunity to redefine your goals and pursue what truly matters to you. Remember, starting over is not a sign of failure, but a courageous act of self-belief. It takes strength to let go of the past and step forward into the unknown. Trust in your ability to grow and adapt, knowing that every new chapter brings the potential for transformation. By choosing to begin again, you honor your resilience and open the door to new possibilities.